Mendelian genetics. Before Mendel, knowledge of how characteristics are passed from parent to offspring was limited. Mendel's genetic studies were conducted in garden peas, an ideal plant for such work because they are normally self-pollinated and thus all the seeds from the same plant have the same inherited characteristics. In his first experiments, Mendel crossed or mated tall plants with dwarf plants. He opened the flowers, removed the anthers to prevent self-pollination, manually transferred the appropriate pollen from plant to plant, then planted the seeds. The offspring, called the first filial or F1 generation, were all tall plants. By allowing the plants of the F1 generation to self-pollinate, Mendel produced a second F2 generation of 3 tall plants and 1 short plant. The results of his experiments led Mendel to conclude that 2 hereditary units, which he called factors, control each physical characteristic or trait. He arrived at his conclusion by observing that dwarfism disappeared in the F1 generation but reappeared in the F2 generation. If the plants had only 1 hereditary factor, dwarfism could not have reappeared in the F2 generation. Have a great day.